Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Do you know what is the distance between sun and the earth? Do you know? What is your answer? Mention that in the comment section. Now see, the distance between the sun and the earth is 1496 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These in meters, this is the distance between sun and the earth. This is the distance between sun and the earth. And do you know what is the diameter of a red blood cell? Red blood cell, the average diameter of a red blood cell is 0.2345. This is the average diameter of a red blood cell. And also, do you know what is the charge of an electron? Do you know what is the charge of an electron? Charge of an electron is 0.2345. This is Coulomb. This is the charge of an electron. This one is the charge of an electron. So, likewise, do you know what is the speed of the light? Speed of light. Speed of the light is 30 crore. That will be 1 is 10 is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. And meters per second. This is the speed of the light, approximately. Now, if you look at these numbers, this is the distance between sun and earth. Is this? Look at them. They seem to some extent these are longer. These are longer. So, and when we write numbers in such a form, then this form is known as the usual form. जब हम numbers को ऐसे लिखते हैं तो इसे हम usual form कहते हैं. Usual form. अगर इन numbers को हम in the form of multiplication with powers of 10, अगर हम ऐसे इसको लिखेंगे, that means अगर हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे a into 10 raised power n, where ये जो n है, n may be positive or negative. It may be positive or negative. And here a value of a lies between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. 1 से लेके 10 तक इस a को हमें लिखना है. Not greater than 10, not great, but you can 1 to 10, less than 10, 1 to less than 10. That means 1 to 9 इसको हम मेंशन कर सकते हैं इन सिंगल डिजिट्स. ये a हमें आना चाहिए. That means between 1 and 10, less than 10. So इस फॉर्म को अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को इस फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, if a number can be expressed like this, then we say that this is the standard form. This is the standard form of what? It is the standard form of this number or any number. It is the standard form of any number. It is the standard form of any number. I will repeat A number is said to be in standard form if it can be expressed as a product of a number that lies between 1 and 10 and the another number that will be as the powers of 10, as the exponentials of 10, in the exponential form of 10. ठीक, तो दैट इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए नंबर. लाइकवाइज अगर हम इसको देखिए, अगर हम इस नंबर को इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिखेंगे, इट इज 1496 एंड हाउ मेनी जीरोज इट हैज? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 zeros. तो इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म this can be written as C. Number of zeros is 8. ये आप देख लीजिए, यहाँ पे 8 zeros हैं इसमें. तो फिर लेकिन ये जो पहला A है, पहला नंबर, अगर हम इसको लिखेंगे तो दैट मीन्स हमें पहला नंबर अगर हम 1496 चूज करेंगे तो दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 10. अगर हम 149 चूज करेंगे that is also greater than 10. अब अगर हम 14, that is also greater than 10. So we have to choose 1.4. तो 1.4 अगर आप मान लीजिए इसका ये जो मीटर है यहाँ पे, that means हम इसको 14968 टाइम्स 0.0 भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक, इसके बराबर. अब हमें आप देख लीजिए, ये जो जीरो यहाँ पे है इसको लेफ्ट जाना है, सॉरी ये जो डॉट है यहाँ पे पॉइंट है इसको लेफ्ट जाना है. कितनी प्लेसेस? इसको ये तो 8 प्लेसेस, फिर 9, फिर 10, फिर 11. ओके, 11 प्लेसेस इसको यहाँ पे जाना है, इस डॉट को यहाँ पे 1.4. सो दैट मीन्स दिस कैन बी रिटन एज in standard form, this can be written as 1.496. So how many places this dot or this decimal has moved to left? It has moved how many places? 8, 9, 10, 11 places. So when it moves left, then the exponent of 10 will be positive. So that is 11 places. So here it will be 10 raised to power 11. This will be the standard form of this. Now if we write this in standard form, इसका जो standard form ये क्या होगा? It is 0 point. लेकिन यहाँ पे आप अच्छे से इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश कीजिए कि ये जो पॉइंट है, इट हैज नॉट टू गो टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, इसको अब राइट की तरफ जाना है. तो जब राइट की तरफ जाते हैं तो ये जो 10 का एक्सपोनेंट हमें आता है वो आता है नेगेटिव. तो कितने प्लेसेस हैं? 5 तो जीरोस है, 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक, और 5 since this 7 lies between what? 7 lies between 1 and 10. So we will write simply 7. So this can be written as, in standard form, this can be written as 7 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5, but that will be minus 5. This will be the standard form. अब ये एक तरीका है, इसको हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि you can write this as this can be simply written as 7 over, तो ये जो डेसिमल है इसके बदले नीचे 1 आ जाएगा. और कितने प्लेसेस हैं ये? 1 2 3 4 5. तो दैट मीन्स 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4, दिस इज 10 raised to power 6. यहाँ पे तो 6 प्लेसेस ये लेफ्ट आ गया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 प्लेसेस है ये, तो यहाँ पे आ गया ये डॉट और ये डेसिमल, तो यहाँ पे 10 raised पर -6 आएगा. सो अगर ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, दिस कैन बी 10 raised पर -6. तो इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये होगा. ओके, इसी तरह अगर आप इसको ले जाओगे जो चार्ज है कॉलम का, अगर इसको हम इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिखेंगे, ये कैसे होगा? दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, देखो ये तो जो यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, इसको these are 18 zeros एंड आफ्टर दैट 18, और यहाँ पे ये डेसिमल आ जाएगा, क्योंकि वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट नंबर बिटवीन 1 and 10, तो वो तो 16 नहीं होगा, दैट विल बी 1.6। तो इस जो डेसिमल को कितने प्लेसेस इसको मूव करना है, तो यहाँ तक, क्योंकि इसमें जीरोज 18 है और ये 1, तो 19। सो दैट, क्योंकि इसको राइट की तरफ जाना है, राइट साइड मूव करना है, तो इसका पावर क्या होगा? 10 raised to power minus 19 column will be its standard form. Likewise, you can write this as 3 into, how many zeros it has? 3, 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 8. 3 into 10 raised power 8 meters per second is the approximate speed of the light in standard form. This is the usual form and this is the standard form. Okay, now हम चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज पे. आप you can see exercise 11.2 on page number 199 of your textbook. See, express the following numbers in standard form. तो पहला जो नंबर है that is 0 point, वो इस तरह है 0 point something. कितने जीरोज है इसमें? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I can count 11. तो ये जो पहला नंबर है, it is 0.11 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 और 85. तो इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, तो जो पहला नंबर है वो इसी से आएगा. अगर हम 85 लिखेंगे, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 10. सो यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है 8.5. ठीक, तो आप देखिए ये जो डेसिमल है, इसको कितने प्लेसेस राइट चलना है. एक तो 11 जीरोज है और एक 8 वाली प्लेस हो गई 12, क्योंकि उसको मूव करना है राइट. दैट मीन्स इसका 10 का जो एक्सपोनेंट होगा दैट विल बी नेगेटिव. सो दिस विल बी द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. इसी तरह you can try for part second, also for part third and so on. Okay, अगर आपको इसमें से कहीं पे भी प्रॉब्लम होगी, you can mention in the comment section. Okay, now let's come to question number 2. Express the following numbers in usual form. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, इसका अगर हम फर्स्ट पार्ट देखेंगे, इट इज 3.02 into 10 raised to power minus 6. इसको हमें क्योंकि ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, इसको हमें यूजुअल फॉर्म में लिखना है. ठीक, तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है. जब यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, ये ऐसे है. ठीक, नेगेटिव है, तो इसका जो, जब ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, जब इसको हम यूजुअल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, तो दैट मीन्स ये 6 प्लेसेस इसको मूव करना है. कहाँ? इस टू द लेफ्ट, 6 प्लेसेस टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ दिस. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 0 point, और यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. अगर अच्छे से आप अंडरस्टैंड करोगे, दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3.02 and this can be written as 1 over 10 raised to power 6 जब ये नीचे जाएगा. ओके, तो दिस इज 3.02 over 10. तो कितने जीरोज आएंगे? हियर एक्सपोनेंट इज 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. तो इनमें से ये जो यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, ये कितने प्लेसेस अब लेफ्ट जाएगा? इट विल गो 6 प्लेसेस. तो दैट मीन्स हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे, पहले हमें 2 फिर 0. ठीक, ये तो अपनी प्लेसेस है, 10th और 100th प्लेस. अब इसको जो 1st प्लेस पे है, तो यहाँ पे 3 आएगा एक प्लेस, फिर 0 0 0 0 होगी 4, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6 हो गई इसकी 6 प्लेस. तो ये बन जाएगा ये 0.6 5 times 0 and 302. This will be its usual form. This will be its usual form. Okay. Now let's move to another. It is, you can see part second of this same question, question number 2, part second. It is 4.5. 4.5 into 10 raised to power 4. Here the exponent of 10 is what? It is positive. It is positive. So this, when this is positive, this decimal moves towards right. Towards right. So how many places? This will move 4 places. 4 places. That means this will be 4. 1 place, 2, 3, 4, and this will be equal to this 0.0. Point, that is 45,000 will be this usual form. The remaining 4 parts, you have to try them yourselves. And now question number 3. The first part of question number 3 is 1 micron is equal to 1 over 1 is 10 is 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 1 micron, see, 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, why 1 micron is equal to these meters. So in decimal notation or usual form, this can be written as, so this will move how many places to right? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this can be written like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in usual form. This can be written as this. Now another question number 3 part second is charge of an electron. जो हमने यहाँ पे करके रखा है, charge of an electron is this. In standard, sorry, in this is usual form. In standard form, this can be written as this. In standard form, this can be written as this. And अगर हम इसका standard form देखेंगे, तो this is just 1 into, because these are to be written in standard form. इसका जो ये इसका usual form है, इसको हम अगर हम standard form में लिखेंगे तो इसके कितने zeros हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो जब ये ऊपर जाएगा, this will be 10 raised to power minus 5. So part third of question number 3, that is size of a bacteria. इसको आपको standard form में करना है. I will chuck it offline. Keep it in mind. I will chuck these questions, these exercises. Now we have the last one, that is in a stack. There are 5 books and 5 sheets of papers. 5 books each of thickness 20 mm. Number of books is 5. And thickness of each book is 20 mm. So what will be the thickness of these 5 books? What will be the thickness of these 5 books? That will be 5 into 20 mm. 5 into 20 mm. So this is 5. It is 100 mm. 100 mm. And also 5. There are 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016. What will be the thickness of paper sheets? It is the thickness of books. And this is the thickness of paper sheets will be 0.016. 5 into 0.016, and that will be 5 6 are 30. It is 8. And 5, it is 0.0. So what will be the total thickness? Total thickness of stack, or simply thickness of stack, it will be 100 mm plus this 0.080 mm. What will be that? It is 100.080 mm. So this will be our correct answer. And if you can write it as in standard form, this can be written as 1 in 1.0. This can be written as 1.0080 into this moves how many places? 2 places. So to the left it is 10 square. This completes our chapter number 11, and it is very fruitful to SSC and SSB aspirants, also for RRB. It is very useful to everybody because these laws are used in every competitive level examination, and also very helpful for the foundation learning students. For more, you have to what? You have to subscribe My Math School for more lectures. Till then, just watch. Till then, have a good time. Thank you.